Let's turn our attention now to China, with authorities now summoning and interviewing 11 ride-hailing firms over illegal behavior as the crackdown on companies continues. Shares of Didi, which has about 90% of the ride-hailing market in China, they're lower another 3% today and down 50% from their all-time high in July. Eunice Yoon is live in Beijing with the very latest for us today. Eunice?
Thanks, Kelly. Well, that illegal behavior is unhealthy competition, disturbing market order, or recruiting drivers who don't have the right permits. So the Transport Ministry, along with other regulators, ordered that companies need to improve their workers' conditions and sort out pricing for drivers and rectify, they said, all of these unfair tactics by the end of the year. Now, separately, China tightened its controls on show business, promising that they would rein in salaries for celebrities, impose harsher punishments for tax evaders, and mandated broadcasters ban artists who have incorrect political views or effeminate styles. Companies, as you could imagine, are scrambling to try to fall in line with all of these Beijing initiatives. Alibaba, for one, confirmed to us that it is investing more than $15 billion to support President Xi's common prosperity goal, funding small and medium-sized companies as well as farmers. And then Weibo, the social media platform, shut stock tips accounts that have millions of followers, but that have been deemed by Beijing to be bad-mouthing China's financial markets as well as its economic policies. Kelly?
Well, so let's pick up on this, Eunice, because we're also hearing out of China this move to create a Beijing stock index, crack down on some of the more speculative, what they would deem speculative areas of stock trading. What do we know, and how does that fit into this move against ride-hailing firms?
Well, we don't know a whole lot of detail at this point. In terms of the way that it might relate to ride-hailing firms, not so much, except that there's been some speculation that this is one way that President Xi could try to attract other companies that list overseas to China, because the government here is trying to support and promote a lot of the financial markets here in China vis-a-vis compared to other parts of the world. So this new market in Beijing is going to be focused very much on small and medium-sized companies. President Xi said that the government here is also going to deepen the reforms for the new third board, which also specializes in some small and medium-sized companies. But he wants to make Beijing what he described as a center for innovation-oriented small and medium-sized companies. Again, not a whole lot of detail on what that exactly means, except that the stock market regulator, very quickly, I might add, put out a statement saying that they're very excited about resolutely implementing President Xi's order.
And we are very excited to see how that all goes. Eunice, thanks. We appreciate your reporting tonight. Eunice Yoon in Beijing for us.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.